Hello everyone, thank you for watching Royal River Art. I'm Michelle. I thought I would do something that I show in my painting classes that I teach here locally. I usually don't have a lot of time, so getting everybody to learn how to mix with different pour mediums and consistency, that can take a lot of time, so we kind of focus on the color wheel and choosing colors. But I have used, I believe Arteza has some pre-mixed paints. The DecoArt is what I use in my classes. And you can buy them in little packs, so you don't even have to, guess what colors you want. They come in a lot of different varieties. And I just thought that I would go ahead and do a demonstration for anyone that's looking to try fluid art. And then you don't have to spend a lot of money. A lot of times these are on sale at the craft stores. I think I found these at Michael's. I did shake them earlier and let them sit. But this is jet black, gray, burnt umber, and white. I really like these. They're a thinner consistency, so you do have to keep that in mind. I have this canvas that I just never used, and I painted the sides. I would suggest whatever canvas that you do use to paint the sides, because being that they are thinner paints, they will not really cover your sides. And I have a split cup, but you can use a regular cup. This one's got paint in it, but you can use cups and layer it. I thought it'd be fun to use the split cup. You can also do any kind of cup. You can do a layered cup, you can do a flip cup, and they work really nice. So let's go ahead and put our colors in. I think I want to do white on the sides, and I think I'm going to take the lids off. They're brand new, so gotta get off the little sealants. Trying to get the cups a little bit even here. So that was the white. I think I'll put the black in the middle. I'll pop the bubble. And when you fill up a split cup, you kind of want to make sure that the colors are even for when you pour it out. Here's the burnt umber. And here is the gray. There we go. My husband made me this cup. It's translucent a little bit, so you can see the colors. It's kind of cool. All right. Let me put my gloves on. And I'll probably just do a straight pour and we'll stretch it out and it'll be pretty easy. I like using these paints because for anyone that does want to explore fluid art or have their own gathering with friends, really easy to go to the craft store and pick out colors. They do come in larger bottles, but that way they have a choice to continue their art journey at home. So let's go ahead and pour. Hand shaky today. That is probably way more than I need on this canvas. It's not that big. It's only like a 8 by 10 little oval. Let me see, it blooped a little bit. Give it a torch before I stretch it out. Okay. Let's see, the cup is so pretty. Alright, so let's just go ahead and tilt it. I usually tell my students not to go over the edge just yet. And I like using the oval or round canvases for my classes because it's easier for everyone to just follow the line of the curvature. Than on a square one. Okay. Do another little torch. The little bubbles popping. Okay. So I am going to wreck it just because I like to add extra detail in the colors. Be a little daring. Okay, so I think I'm gonna tilt this way. Some of those bubbles. And tilt this way first. Put it this way so you guys can see. Bring it back. Then I'll bring it back over here and come off this side. Bring it back. over this side. And come back down over here. And bring it back. I'm gonna come off here. A lot of the gray's missing, but that's okay. I'm gonna come off this edge. And bring it back. And I'm not trying to tilt super fast. I'm trying to just look at the composition. I think I want to stretch some of this out a little bit. I'm going to go back down. It's kind of anchored on that side. That's one reason why I tell my students not to go off the edges right away, because oftentimes you want to make sure your composition is where you want it first. Okay, so I'm going to come back, bring everything back to center. And I still have enough paint on here to play with, and I really like this section right here. So I'm going to try and stretch it down this way. Take some of that black off on the edge, and then turn it around so I can show you and bring it back. My hands off so I don't loop again. There's a little white spot. I can cover that up right there. Torch. And there you go. So that's just a quick demonstration of using the pre-mixed paints. I hope you like it, and I will show dried results when it's dry. Have a good day. Bye. Hello. I just wanted to give you the dried results of the DecoArt Fluid Painting. And yes, of course, because I'm recording, he has to go out, but he can wait a second. I just wanted to show you the shine too on the DecoArt. They look really pretty. You get crisp lines. Those little dots are because I had shaken it and I didn't let it rest. So note to self, wait a little bit longer. But I think it turned out really, really pretty. I hope you like it. Have a good day. Bye.